Hey guys, in this video I will show you some programs of my MIT Mini Cheetahs. It's probably already a month. I have not yet updated the status, but I do got some progress. I purchased some used actuator. So this is some used actuator. It needs some time to ship to United States. So I purchased the 12 of them. So because the Mini Cheetahs is 12 DOF. So I do got some progress. I assembled them. I could make it stand up. I have not yet make it work, but it's pretty close. So I will show you. Let me show you some progress. Let me show you the process I assemble this device. This will be a preview for the full video. I think the full video probably will be released. I hope it will be released like before Christmas and after Thanksgiving. I think that will be the time I could release the full process to build the MIT Mini Cheetahs. Okay, let's take a look how to assemble this device. Okay, I purchased the most used part from China. I have some friends in China, so I asked them to pick up some of them from different store. Finally, I got most of them ready, but I still miss some parts like the leg. So I asked the GLC to build the CNC part for me. So finally, I got everything ready so I could assemble all of them. The main board, I use the Jetson Nano. So I will show you how to install the application, copy the source code to there later. But right now, I just show you how to assemble this one. It's taking me a lot of time to assemble this one. I will fast forward this video so you can take a look. Okay. Okay, now it's show time. Let's get it running. I will send the command from the computer and let the bot stand up. Okay, let's stand up. Yeah, come on. Come on. Okay, finally I got it stand up. It took me about a month to get it into this step. Yeah, I'm still working on get it working smoothly because the source code of the MIT, they are using like the front leg and the back leg is the same, but actually the part I purchased not the same. So I need to adjust some code, which is a very difficult one. I need to try different parameter. I need to understand what the code doing. So it's taking me a lot of time. I will demonstrate you more detail about how to get the code working, how to deploy the source code to the Jetson Nano board. Yeah, it's very interesting. It takes a lot of time, but a very interesting project. I will show you more detail for this one. That will be the full video about the MIT Cheetahs. Okay, so that's pretty much all for this video. I will summarize some project I have done in the 2025. Yeah, let's summarize the project I have done. Okay, here is a summarize for my project of 2025. So this one is EN01, is Education Nano. I created this like a half year ago, as well as the ES02, Education Small. All this powered by the ESP32. So just the size is different. And this one is the quadruped, also powered by the ESP32. And this one is EG01. This one is MIT Cheetahs. I have not yet get it done, but probably it will get ready when I release this video. Okay, right now is a Black Friday, so if you are guys interested in purchase this part and do by yourself, you can purchase from the navibot.com website. Right now is Black Friday, so you will get 30% off. Yeah, thank you for your support my channel and support my project. Your support is helping me to go through this year. Next year, I probably will do more open source project, and you guys could try. I will share the source code from in the GitHub, and you can download the source code and build the robot by yourself. So hope you enjoy this project. Thank you. Bye.